Today we're looking at 2005 Country Coach Affinity. This is a top-of-the-line country coach and one of the coaches on our list to purchase. So let's take a look what this coach has to offer. It's cloudy day here, but I want to show you the color. How color changes. I forgot the name for it. I can put it below. I look it up. But this is pretty cool. How color changes as you move about the coach. On the sun it's even more noticeable. Now it's blue turning to purple, kind of reddish something else, and now brown. So really cool color, really cool color. Has a back ladder, which is unusual on these coaches. I did climb it. It's a very sturdy and very useful to get to the top. Slide outs, seals look fine. There is an issue with one of the windows. We'll check that out on the other side. Tires on this coach are older. These are dated 2013, so that is 7 years old. I don't see any cracking, but I'll dry rot, but still a 7-year-old tire will probably need to be replaced. The slide out mechanism looks fine. There's not really a rusty. Awning, slide out awning partially left open. So it's a Country Coach Affinity 77LX. That's a top of the line coach. Front tires, we looked at the code and it's 2015, I believe. So that's 5-year-old tires. And on the other side, one of the window, actually probably all 3 of these small windows will have to be replaced. I was told that the windshield has been replaced and it's brand new. It's about $5,000 item, so that's the good news. In the back, color scheme works the same. Color changes as you walk around. And again, paint on these coaches is superb. I don't see any checking. There's a little bit on the black. Camera probably can't pick that up. A little bit on the brown, as it shows brown, and this shows blue or purple. But checking seems to be minimal, or you really have to be about 2 feet, closer than 2 feet to tell that. So again, Country Coach does awesome job in their paint department, and this is a 15-year coach, 15-year-old, and paint looks just like maybe 2-year-old. I don't know if you can see the color change on this camera, but the color changes as you move around, especially on a sunny day. I think we got the awning working.
I can't get the extension switches to turn on. I don't know what we did wrong.
For what? For the...
Yeah, I can't. When you turn the key on, it doesn't turn on. I don't know if there's a switch somewhere I missed or something. Last time I just turned them on and back in.
Okay.
Last night we were afraid that it might do something.
Oh, he's on top there. I'll try the other one if you have. That should work off the remote too, I guess. We're getting the awnings to work. One of the cameras. There's a camera on each side and one in the back. So these are not new. They're black and white images, but still useful. There's a second one. So docking lights all around. Notice a little crack on the chassis here, which seems to be the common. It's usually around the back area, back slide out. Maybe it's the engine and all the weight in the back and the stress. I don't know what they call it. Fiberglass stress syndrome, as I'm calling it. So, full Country Coach. So there you have it. Outside Country Coach Affinity with really nice paint job. That's a really cool paint job. No, it's the tag axle I was telling you about.
Oh, it started rolling forward.
There's a push button on the left side, and that's what you do. Like if you're
What's it called?
It's a tag.
That scared the heck out of me. I was sitting there like,
it's a tag axle. What is it called?
Oh, tag up.
Tag up. So it doesn't go down. Yeah.
Oh.
So that's what. Yeah. This is.
Oh man.
Well, let's just leave that work.
We were like, holy shit, it's moving. It's rolling.
Oh, you wanna pull in the slides? I wanna see how that works.
Okay, yeah.
That works. Yeah.